Oh, hello again. Today we're going to be doing some Cricut designs and we're going to go step by step how to do this. I'm walking through myself. This is going to be my first real project. So let's get started, guys. Let's dive right in.
Alright guys, so first things first, you're going to open up your Cricut design space. For myself, I already have an image in mind I want to use. Upload, browse, let's get this image going again. Open. We're going to do complex, continue. Let's crop this image a little bit. Just like that. We're going to erase this right here. We're going to select what we want, which is this. Alright, best I'm going to do on that one. Continue. This is what our final is going to be. Save as a cut image. We're going to save. Alright, so this is what we're going to do right here. We're uploading this one. We're going to insert images. We're going to duplicate this one. Same size. Let's get this in the top corner and we'll get this one right here. Alright, let's go to make it. Okay, so that's not where I want it to be. Let's reposition this on there. We're going to click continue. We're going to browse material. We are going to go to vinyl. And we are going to go to holographic threads. Is what we have. We're going to click done. Alright, so let's load the material. Let's try less pressure.
Make sure when you guys actually load the material in, you're keeping them under those little tabs right there, right on the top left corner of the screen. You're doing that so it feeds into the Cricut Maker perfectly. Alright, you're going to click the load button right there, right on the right hand side of the Cricut Maker that's flashing. Alright, saying push the flashing go button, which you can see the Cricut button flashing right there on the right hand side. We're going to click that. And here we go, let's try it out. Alright, let's unload the material like it's telling us on the screen. So we're going to click on the button right here to unload. Let's pull our standard cutting sheet out. And we're going to peel that off. So we're going to take our material off and we're going to get rid of this excess that we don't want on here. And that's the finished product right here. It's exactly what we wanted. All right, let's go ahead and load our green threaded vinyl onto the cutting mat. All right, we got that loaded on. Let's go ahead and use our scraper tool. All right, just make a note, and it's very important that you guys do notice what I'm doing here. The threads on this vinyl are vertical, and the threads on this vinyl are vertical. So just make a note of that. Make sure you guys don't forget which way you're going, just in case you don't want to mess anything up and make it look silly. You don't want the threads to go opposite direction on there. That's going to kind of ruin your whole effect that you have going on here. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, we're going to load this into our Cricut Maker, and just remember, both tabs on each side. Make sure you guys are loading your cutting mat right onto that, and let's go ahead and load it. All right, it says click the Cricut button, the go button when we're ready, and we are ready. All right, so let's unload. And let's take this off. All right, let's make sure that we take this off. Get your weeding tool. All right, so that is a beautiful decal right there. So now we're gonna get some transfer tape. We are going to use one side on this. We're gonna get basically 2 decals out of this. So let's get our scissors. All right, so we're gonna cut out that right there, that little section. And we're gonna do the same thing for here. All right, we'll get our transfer tape going. All right, so we can hit finish now because we are all done with that. I'm gonna save this file right here. You can X out of that whenever we want. So that's what we got. We have our holographic threaded vinyl on here. I think it came out really well. It looks to be even. I think it looks really good. As you can see in the light right there, it looks awesome. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys stay tuned, and I will continue to post my projects. Hopefully you guys get some ideas out of this. I will be going step by step, kind of going through the process. So make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.